So the first thing you do is you fold up the bottom half like this, then you open it again, turn it round, and again fold up the bottom half to get that kind of crisscross running across your paper. Now bring it over, and now you fold the bottom half to about, I think this is about 1.5 centimeters, kind of like a nice little width, like so. Then you fold down the bottom this little bit. This makes the beak. This is why I quite like adding a little bit of paper afterwards, but I still think it's cute even without the extra colours. Now you turn it round, and now about halfway, it's not an exact science, you fold it over. I kind of like just kind of guess at this a little bit. So about halfway, fold it over, and then flap it back. This time I'm bringing it so that, you know, there's a little corner here. I want this corner to meet this corner, like so, so that when you turn it round you can only see a little bit of the turquoise. Then repeat on the other side, so it's about halfway. It's, again, like I say, it's not exact. You try and get them even on both sides, and then you flip this over, and again you try and get this little corner here to meet that side. To be honest, it doesn't matter too much if it's not exactly right. Then you take the top down like this, just a little bit, maybe 1 centimeter. And this is your basic penguin. Don't you think it's adorable? Now, of course, I like to embellish, so I have a little bit of yellow. Super duper cute origami penguins. Hope you